Hey everybody, happy Friday. I'm recording today's love message just because I know sometimes it's easier to watch videos and it's so fun. I wanted to share with you, I just walked up the stairs. I am not sharing this to brag on us, I'm not. But I just walked up the stairs with like a bajillion grocery bags, and they were like over my shoulders and all over everything. And you know what? I was just realizing, holy cow, you know what? This does not feel that heavy. 3 years ago, my feet were falling apart, my body was falling apart. There was no way in heck or high water that I could have carried all of those up those stairs. And I just wanted to take a moment to just like say hallelujah and gratitude for that. I've been lifting weights in this process, and I just feel so grateful that those heavy bags didn't feel very heavy. I thought they were going to feel super heavy. I'm like, whoa, taking care of my body, doing this weightlifting, it just totally works, and I'm loving it. Anyway, I wish you so much love, especially this time of year. I wanted to share 3 short things with you. I know we've got lots of things going on for everybody, and most people are working on getting ready for holidays, etc. And I wanted to share with you 3 simple tools to create compassion this time of year. One of my main missions on this planet is to create compassion. And so I'm going to share with you those 3 tools. Number 1, just going to get right to the point. Use this tool. Choose 3 feelings that you want to feel on purpose in the next couple of weeks, especially in the next few days. Choose 3 feelings that you want to feel on purpose, and then ask yourself these couple of questions. Does this item on my to-do list support me in creating those feelings? And if not, take it off. And then ask yourself, does this activity or this to-do list item allow me to be the version of me that I really want to be right now? And if not, take it off the list. The end. Don't argue. Just trust me. If you give yourself permission to take things off your to-do list that don't support you in feeling what you want to feel, you're not going to feel them. It's not going to be created. So really giving yourself permission to take things off your list will really help your mind be more peaceful, and therefore let you be who you really want to be. And if it feels like you're looking at your list and none of the items can be taken off, ask the questions again. Does this item on my to-do list support me in creating those feelings? And then does this activity or this to-do list item support me or allow me to be that version of me that I really want to be? And if it feels like it's a no and you can't seem to take it off your list, I want you to ask this question instead. How can I go about doing these things in a way that could create my 3 feelings? You might find that you'll take it off your list by asking those questions a second time. Or you might find, okay, what if I could do these things on my list and create those feelings? Oftentimes we don't have to take things off our list, but our brain will say, oh, too much. What we really need to do is ask a different question. What if we could ask, okay, well, how could I create these 3 feelings with what I have on my list? Okay, when I gave this assignment, or not assignment, but this activity to one of my clients, she decided she wanted to create 3 feelings, and I think they were love and fun, and I can't remember the third one. Mine are love, connection, and fun. But when she did this, she asked herself those questions, and all of a sudden her brain just said, oh, I'm going to take this off the to-do list, I'm going to take this off the to-do list. And she realized that she had put some like deep cleaning things on the list she didn't want to do, she didn't need to do. And then she realized that she had all these ideas for all these extra menu items, and she realized, I don't need to do that. She just gave herself permission to take those off her list, and that, just doing that right there, started to create her 3 feelings. Okay, that's my gift to you. That will be a big one. Tool number 2, ask yourself these compassionate body and self-care questions in the next day, or in the next few weeks here. How can I listen to my body right now or today? How can I love my body right now or today? And if your brain wants to make you feel guilty about it, just say, thank you, brain. We're actually asking these compassionate questions. How can I listen to my body right now? How can I love my body right now? And or, what is the most loving thing that I can do for my body right now? What is the most loving thing that I can do for myself and my body right now? And don't complicate it. Just take a few minutes to think and listen. And your brain is amazing, and it will give you a couple of answers. And listen to what it says and advises you to do. Okay, third number tool is another question, another compassion question. reflecting on this year. Ask yourself this question: what are all the amazing things that you've accomplished, all the amazing things you've become, and all the amazing things that you've learned this year? Sometimes this is where our survival brain wants to come in and judge us, and that's okay. Keep asking yourself these questions. If your brain wants to judge you, ask them again. What are the amazing things that I've accomplished, the amazing things that I've become, and the amazing things that I've learned this year? And then be quiet and listen. Listen to your brain. Listen to how it starts to list all the amazing things you've done, all the amazing things you've learned, and all the amazing things you've become. And again, don't let your survival brain sneak in there and want to argue with you. And then I invite you to just let your brain list all those things, all that you've accomplished, become, and learned. And then let yourself experience that joy of that accomplishment, of all that learning, and all that becoming. And see how that makes you feel. That's my gift to you. I love you. Have a wonderful next week of holidays, whatever you celebrate. We celebrate Christmas in my house, whatever you celebrate or not. I wish you much love, much peace, much fun, and much compassion. Have a great week. Bye-bye.